Today we have a really cool project to show you, a giant persistence of vision display created by Sean Hodgins. For those unfamiliar with persistence of vision, it's a visual illusion that relies on our eyes' inability to keep up with fast-moving objects. Essentially, if something is moving fast enough, it will create the appearance of a solid object. By adding lights to a rotating object and sensing those lights to the rotation speed, you can create a POV display. If all the lights remain a single color and brightness, you'll see a solid surface. But by modulating the color or brightness, you can display images and animations. Hodgins has taken this concept and created a massive POV display that shows a Christmas tree or any other image or animation he chooses. However, scaling a POV display to this size introduces a number of challenges. The most obvious are related to weight, which increases the momentum to overcome and the friction on the bearings. The size of the rotating frame also increases drag, while the wind resistance intensifies as the expanded radius of the frame results in faster speeds. To overcome these challenges and make the display work at this scale, Hodgins built a sturdy frame out of aluminum and steel. The spinning portion rides on heavy-duty ball bearings and a beefy slip ring, which allows for power and data transmission through the rotating joint. A large DC motor spins the inner frame, and a Hall effect sensor keeps track of the rotational speed. The triangular spinning frame has a strip of NeoPixel-style RGB LEDs running down one side, which a Raspberry Pi single-board computer controls according to the input image. The software can also display a series of images in sequence to produce animated videos. As you can see in the video, this giant persistence of vision display works really well. It's not exactly high resolution, but the images look quite nice. To capture them for his video, Hodgins had to lower his camera's frame rate to match the display's refresh rate while also allowing more light to enter the camera sensor. Overall, this is a really impressive project that demonstrates the power of persistence of vision.